Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and today I'm going to answer the question from Quora. What is the Excel formula that I could use to generate all combinations of a 4-digit number? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I think that this means is that they're looking for all of the permutations, rather, of a 4-digit number. For example, if 1, 2, 3, 4 is a valid answer, I think they want to also include 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, and so on and so forth. It's very tedious to do by hand. Now for the Excel formula, the answer is that strictly speaking, there isn't one. There is a function, well, there's a set of functions actually to use to calculate the number of combinations, but there isn't one native to Excel. But I wrote one that does this. So, for example, if I want all of the combinations, I'm going to use a custom function I wrote called combine show. And we're going to say that for 4 numbers and choosing 4, how many combinations are there? It gives an error because it wants to see that array. So the last part that it requires is a little array that gives what numbers it's actually supposed to use. So I'll feed it to the 4. And it says there is only one combination. And the reason it says that there's only one combination is because combination is order agnostic. What that means is that 1, 2, 3, 4 is seen as the same as 4, 3, 2, 1. But that probably isn't what the question wants. What it wants is combinations. So let's see what else we've got. Perhaps we want to combine a show with repeats. So we'll change that. And what this does is it shows, here's with those 4 numbers, how many could I possibly make with all of the numbers being allowed to be repeated. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now, again, this is a combination generator. There's a lot of them. So it says that 1, 1, this one, 1, 1, 1, 2 is the same as any other combination of numbers with 3 1s and 1 2. So that's possibly what we're looking for here. If we're looking for permutations, I'll use the permute show function that I wrote, and this says, well, now the order matters. For example, 1, 1, 1, 2 is distinctly different from 1, 1, 2, 1. And this allows for all the digits to be repeated. Now, the last possibility is that we don't want any repeat digits, and I'll just use without allowing repeats, permute show. And this just takes all of the different ways that the 4 numbers can be arranged, all of their permutations. So each of these will have all the same 4 numbers, all arranged in different ways. I believe there's 24 different ways that can be done. All of these functions are available to be brought into your own Excel spreadsheet. There will be links in the description below because each of them is unique. There's 4 different. There will be 4 different links, depending on which one you want. So this one is permute. The other one was permute with repeats, or permute allowing repeats, permute A. There was combine A, which is the combinations allowing repeats, and combine with no repeats, of which there is only one output. This is the easy one. All of the links for those will be in the description below. Please like if you end up using these, and comment to let me know what you're doing with them. Hope that you're having a great day. Happy excelling!